In this video we will insert the divider here in our percentage chart. So we will mark our chart, right mouse key, select data, add name divider, then values. We can use the same values like here from cell N8 until N19. Click on OK and OK. Then here we mark our divider value, right mouse key, then change chart type, and here for the divider we select the following chart, a scatter. Okay. Then we will mark our chart, click on the right mouse key, select data, we mark the divider, edit, and for the x values we use the cells M8 until M19. Okay, and OK. Then we go to Insert, to Illustrations, Shapes. We select a line, press the Alt key for a vertical line, we mark it, right mouse key, format shape. Then we select a black color and the size 2.5 points. We copy it and then we mark our divider and paste it with Ctrl V. One more time. Mark, copy, mark the divider and paste it with Ctrl V. And now we have also a divider for our percentage deviation chart. In the next video we will insert the different ones for the positive and negative values.